Hey people, welcome back to another tutorial. Today I'll be showing you how I transform a simple hoodie into a two-piece set. If you're new to my channel, this is Waka Waka and I'm Abby. Do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel and see you in the video. My choice of hoodie has a tie-dye print all over it. It also features a kangaroo pocket, a 3-inch ribbon at the bottom, a hooded top, drawstring cords, and large sleeves. I started by seam ripping the kangaroo pocket in the front part of the hoodie to create more space, which also left an opening at the ribbon. I turned the hoodie upside down since I'll be using the ribbon as my waistline. I brought in an existing miniskirt that I own to make sure that the length is not too short. I marked the bottom with allowance and cut it out. I folded the skirt halfway, then measured my hip allowance on the waistline and also at the hip and cut it out according to the measurement. I also seam ripped the ribbon. Then I cut it to the size of the skirt waistline. I matched the ribbon with right side facing and pinned it. And also do the same for the skirt. And sewed both the ribbon and the skirt. I matched the waistline to the skirt. And sewed it. Pressed open the skirt seam and fold in the hem allowance with the iron, pinned it. Cut out my elastic using my waistline measurement, inserted it into the skirt waistline, and I also hemmed the skirt and sewed it. I brought in the remaining part of my hoodie cut out. I will be cutting across the top part of it to eliminate the hooded part. I measured 3 inches away from the shoulder joining and will be cutting across it. As I got close to the middle of the hoodie, I folded it over to the uncut part to make sure it matches. With this white strip of cutout remaining, I left the sleeve in because I still wanted the essence of the hoodie to remain in the garment. I fold in 5/8 inches inwards, which should be the casing for the 1/2 inch elastic. Did it for the top and bottom. And sewed it, leaving a 1-inch space for the elastic insertion. After that, I inserted my elastic, fitted it, knotted it, and closed up the 1-inch space. And there you have it, a two-piece set made from a hoodie. Thank you guys for watching.